Hi everybody. In this class we are going to learn about conversion of volume. Okay, let us see how to convert side of it. So again, we need only one side, so I am writing it as length 1 meter, and the formula for the volume is volume of a cube. Cube is length, the whole cube. That means 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter multiplied by 1. All the three sides are 100 centimeter. For a cube, all the sides are equal. So we are taking it as length 100 centimeter. Okay. So again, volume of the cube is equal to length, the whole cube, that is equal to 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And the unit is centimeter cube. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 meter cube is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter cube. That is 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 and 6 zeros. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. Okay, now let us solve some problems. Okay, so our first example is convert 5 meter cube into centimeter cube. Now I think you are used to how to do it when it is a smaller and bigger conversion. So I'm not writing anything like that. I'm simply moving on to the solution. Okay. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 and 6 zeros. That is 10 lakh centimeter cube. Of course, it is from a bigger unit to smaller unit. So you have to multiply. I'm not writing, I'm just telling you that. Okay. So 5 multiplied by 10 lakh centimeter cube. That is equal to 5 and 6 zeros. Centimeter cube. Okay, so you can write 5 meter cube is equal to 50 lakh centimeter. Okay, so let us do another problem. convert 63,25,000 centimeter cube into meter cube. Again, we will write 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. Write our question 6, 3, 2, 5 and 3 zeros. Unit is centimeter cube. That is equal to 6, 3, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. Here, conversion is from smaller unit to bigger unit. So we have to divide. And divide with 1 and 6 zeros. Okay. Now, this is equal to 6, 3, 2, 5 and 3 zeros upon 1 and 6 zeros. That is 10 lakh. So here in the denominator, we have 6 zeros. So let us see, from your right hand side, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will get it as 6.325. You can omit these 3 zeros and you can write it as meter cube. So your answer is 6.325 meter cube. Okay. So you have exercises in the description box. You can go through it, solve it. You have to practice enough to be perfect. So practice it and you can ask me if there is any doubt. Okay. So now let us take another one. Again, it is cube. So we are taking 1 centimeter. Length is 1 centimeter. Volume of the cube is length, the whole cube, that is equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. That is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Okay. So next it is 10 millimeter. I am taking okay. Length is 10 millimeter. All the units are very important and you should always mention your numerical with the unit. Otherwise, you may not be express yourself fully. That instead of writing millimeter, if you didn't write anything here, then it doesn't make any meaning there. So you should always write a unit along with the numericals. So volume of the cube is equal to length cube. That is equal to 10 millimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter. That is equal to 1, 2, 3 zeros. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. That is 1000 millimeter cube. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and it's not centimeter, we are dealing with millimeter. So 1 meter, 1 centimeter, sorry, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. Now let us solve some problems. So the first example. Convert 25 centimeter cube into millimeter cube. So what is 1 centimeter cube equal to 1000 millimeter cube. Okay. Now 25 centimeter cube is equal to 25. We will write as it is, then multiplied by 1000 millimeter cube. That is equal to 25,000 millimeter cube, or we can write it as 25 centimeter cube is equal to 25,000 millimeter cube. Okay. So next question. $56,325 millimeter you have to convert. Millimeter cube you have to convert it into centimeter cube. Okay. So you are asked to convert 56,325 millimeter cube into centimeter cube. Again, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. That is, let's write our question. Here, from smaller to bigger. So you have to divide. Again, we can write 56,325 divided by 1000. Okay, that is equal to 56,325 upon 1000. So 3 zeros here. So it should be 56325. And 1, 2, 3 decimal points we have moved from your right to the left. then we can give the unit. So this is your answer. We can write it as our question 56325 millimeter cube is equal to 56.325 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay. Next, let us see what is next. Again, for this topic also I have added exercises in the description box. You can do it, and you should ask me if you have any doubt. Either you can mail me or you can add in the comment box. Okay, so now let us proceed with the next one. So I am giving it as 1 kilometer. Each side 1 kilometer. So length is 1 kilometer. So the volume should be of the cube, volume of the cube. We are dealing with cube. So cube is equal to length cube. That is equal to 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer. That is 1 kilometer cube. So you will get volume of the cube as 1 kilometer cube. Now let us take the other one, 1 kilometer. Instead of 1 kilometer, I am taking this as 1000 meters. So now the length is 1000 meters and the volume of the cube is equal to length cube, cube of the length, that is equal to, so we are taking 1000 meter multiplied by 1000 meter multiplied by 1000 meter. So this will be equal to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros and then meter cube. Okay? Such a huge number. So 1 meter is equal to, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 kilometer cube is equal to 1 and 9 zeros. Okay, and the unit is meter cube. Okay, so this is how we will convert kilometer cube to meter cube. Now let us solve some examples. Okay. So our first example, convert 36 kilometer cube into meter cube. Okay, 36 kilometer cube into meter cube. So we know that 1 kilometer cube is equal to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. You have to add 9 zeros, count it and add it, okay? Always. So 36 kilometer cube is equal to 36 multiplied by 1 and 9 zeros. Unit is meter cube. So this is equal to 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Okay? Such a huge number. It is very much easier for us to say it as 36 kilometer cube instead of converting it into meter cube. Okay? So that is the purpose of using bigger and smaller units. That is the use of using bigger and smaller units. Okay. So this is your answer. Now let us see one more exercise. Convert 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, 3, 8, 9, 5 meter cube into kilometer cube. Okay. So here it's a huge number again. So let us do it as 1 kilometer cube is equal to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 meter cube. Okay, 1 and 9 zeros. Okay, so then let us write our question 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, 3, 8, 9, 5. And the unit is meter. So meter cube, that is equal to 1. I'm writing it a little to the left side, otherwise you may not be able to see. 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, 3, 8, 9, 5 meter cube is equal to 1, 5, 8, 7, 2, 3, 8, 9, 5. Here from smaller to bigger we are converting. So you have to divide a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then we are rewriting it as into fraction upon 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now we have 9 zeros there. So we have to count 9 from your right hand side to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Everything gone. So should be a decimal point here, and you should add a 0. Okay. So So unit should be meter, kilometer, cube. Not meter cube, it is kilometer cube. You are asked to convert meter cube into kilometer cube. Okay? So you can write your final answer as 158723895 is equal to 0.15872399895. Kilometer cube. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, again you have all the problems in your description box related to all these three topics, so you can solve it. If there is any problem or any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can mail me at reshmisidhu@gmail.com. Thank you.